Too many times I start a coding project and I don't really look to see if the project that I'm about to start is a problem that's already been solved or not. One of the cool things that I found was some online tools to help me make the thumbnails for these videos. I found a cool online tool that removes the background so I don't have to trace around the background and remove it. I also found a cool online tool that will create that white outline around me so that I stand out better on the thumbnail. And those are two examples of online tools that you can use that really can help you get some work done faster. And whenever I'm starting a coding project, a lot of times, like I said, I don't really look to see if the project that I'm about to start is a problem that's already been solved. There's a lot of online tools out there. People out there who have little functionalities or little apps that have already, they do a lot of really cool stuff. And I think that what I need to start doing, looking for different apps, is I need to start looking to see if I can sort of take all of those little ideas and combine them into one. So an example of the kind of app that I could make is I could make an app that combines the functionality of those two different little tools. So one of the tools removes the background, the other one creates a white outline. And if I can make a little tool that does both, it removes the background and creates a white outline, that might be a little bit more, or it'll save a little bit more time. And so maybe that's a good thing for you to do when you're trying to come up with ideas for what apps to build. You can look at what's already out there and say, well, I'm using these tools, I'm using these resources, but how can I take those ideas and make it more streamlined for me? And that's something that I think that we all need to start doing. Is we need to look at where our needs are. Where are we wasting our time where it could be automated? Where are we wasting our time where it could be automated? And just ask ourselves that question and start building apps for that purpose. One of the things that I did is I built a contract signing app that was specifically designed to help people who make contracts get signatures easier. And everybody said to me at the time, why don't you just use DocuSign or Adobe Sign? Those are tools that already exist. And the big problem with those two tools is that they both rely heavily on PDFs. And I think that there's a lot of people out there who want to just write out their contract and have people sign the contract more like, what do you call it? A user agreement. You know how on a user agreement you just check the box? I mean, it's just all text, right? So the contract signing app that I did was for my wife's photography business, so it was focused on that. But she would, refine her contracts and stuff, And every single time that she would send out a contract, she would have to generate a new PDF because it had information in it that that was specific to that particular client. So every single client, she would have to write out, I mean, she would use a template, but she would write out make the changes to the contract, generate a new PDF, and then send that out via like DocuSign or something like that, and then the person would sign it. And really what she wanted to do was just be able to type in the information that was missing and have that automatically generate the text, and then the person sign the text, and then both parties get a copy of a PDF. So it took a little bit of a different route getting to the same place, but it worked in a way that I thought was it was more streamlined to the way that our technology worked. So instead of generating a PDF, signing the PDF, and then both parties get the copy, you would generate a text document. People would agree to this text document, and then both people would get a PDF copy of it. And so that was like my different way of thinking about it. And it made it a lot easier because all she had to do was type in the name, location, price, and all of that kind of stuff into the text editor. That way it was easier to modify for the person who is generating the contract. And it was a lot better for everybody. Sorry, there's a little bit of unexpected traffic here. I think I'm gonna try and go a different way because I don't need to go this way. Okay. Anyways, so there are tools that already exist that might kind of do what it is that you want to do, but they don't exactly do it. And you can find ways around that. I mean, you can find ideas that way. Anyways, so I've got a little bit of traffic to deal with right now, so it's going to take a little bit of my brain capacity, but those are some of the ideas that I wanted to talk about. Was just this concept of kind of like taking other people's ideas and making it better for you, and in doing that you can create new apps that function differently in a way that is streamlined to a different way of doing things, which I think is a great idea. So yeah, that's something that that I think is a good way to come up with ideas. If you like this video, if you like this content, please like and subscribe. I do enjoy reading your comments. I finally got a couple of comments from you guys, so that's some things that I will be responding to very soon. Thanks for all of your support, and I will see you in the next video.